Hey there, golfers and soon-to-be pros. Welcome to Golf4Dummies, where we take your game seriously, but not too seriously. Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of golf etiquette. Yes, there's more to golf than just whacking a tiny ball and shouting "four!" Though we'll definitely cover that part too. Let's get you ready for your first round without looking like, well, a total dummy. Step 1. Dress the part. Now, while I personally think neon green plaid pants scream professional, most courses prefer something a little more subdued. Think collared shirts, nice slacks or shorts, and no jeans. Unless you're starting a new fashion trend I don't know about. Lesson 1, comfort over style, always. When you arrive, check in at the pro shop. Don't be shy, they're there to help you. And to make sure you're not sneaking onto the course. Trust me, security doesn't think that's funny. Show up early for your tee time. Early means 15 to 30 minutes before. It gives you time to warm up, grab a coffee, and maybe even pretend you know what you're doing, just like that. Now once you're out on the course, there's a secret code of conduct, and breaking it might get you the look. You know the one. Rule number 1, don't walk on the putting line. That's the imaginary line between someone's ball and the hole. Mess with that line and you're messing with their score and their soul. Don't be that guy. Keep up the pace. No one likes a slowpoke. Think of it like driving. If you're holding up traffic, you're gonna hear about it. Ready golf is happy golf. And finally, celebrate with style, but maybe leave the touchdown dances for the football field. A simple fist bump or a polite nod will do. Unless, of course, you just got your first hole-in-one. Then you're legally required to tell everyone. And that's your crash course in golf etiquette. Follow these tips and you'll blend in like a pro, or at least avoid getting kicked off the course. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe to Golf4Dummies, and let me know your funniest first-time golf stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep swinging and keep smiling.